Hi everyone, welcome back to Origin channel. I am Tufa, CTO of Origin. As you know, Origin has already launched a new 4D product, Origin Studio, a hub for developers to integrate unlimited AI functionalities into smart contracts for Origin and many other Cosmos SDK-based blockchains. Origin Studio allows developers to write, test, simulate, and deploy AI smart contracts on the Origin neural testnet and as well as Origin mainnet. In the first demo live stream, we show you how to write, deploy, and simulate an AI smart contract. You can watch it by click on the Origin channel. Today, to keep on the studio demo series, I'm going to show you how to use simulator on Origin Studio to mock the process of interacting with one or more Watson smart contracts. First step, I will show you how to connect your GitHub account to Origin Studio. You need to click on the Connect to GitHub button at the bottom of the pop-up. And you need to fill in your account and click on Sign. If you don't have any project yet, you can choose a template. Here we already have a marketplace smart contract and we click on this to open the marketplace smart contract. The flow, I would like to introduce the general process. It includes two main steps. The first step is preparing and initializing all the smart contracts and name them correctly. It helps to set up the state that is necessary when simulating. When we click on the View button, the studio will view the whole smart contract shortcode into the WASM file placed within the artifacts folder. As you see, there is a marketplace.wasm, and the contract folder is convenient to interact with other smart contracts that are required. Basically, a smart contract will require you to write three functions. The init functions. Init function is used to initialize smart contract when deploying to the network. And the handle function. The handle function is to create an actions with state stored on smart contracts, such as updating the total supply, creating a new MFT. And query functions. A query function is to read the information of states. Three functions include various specific message formats, which are defined by developers to handle each case. And I'm gonna take the MFT marketplace smart contract as an example and simulate its functions, including mint, find info, send and receive MFT with the studio. To support this, I also use standard OW20 and OW7021 smart contracts. Actually, they are similar to the smart contracts on Ethereum called e Ethereum 20 and Ethereum 21. Yeah, they are quite equivalent. And here we go. Here we go. Let's start simulate MFT marketplace by click on the simulate tab, and you see the first light is the notification for the RESTful servers. It means that you can go to this standpoint to simulate with RESTful API instead of a command line. To follow the flow, we will follow the document above. First step, we need to initialize all the smart contract. To have all the initial inputs, we need to start with a marketplace smart contract first. We type init and give it a name called the marketplace. And after the smart contract is initialized and has state, we can simulate each function of the smart contract. Next step, we will go to other smart contract OW721. We will go to this smart contract by type switch command and choose OW721 as a name. We will initialize. The minter gonna be, for example, the sender fixed sender address as a default parameter, and we name it. Let's name it OW721 for convenience, and a symbol. Next step, we will mint a new MFT token. There's a mint method. Description gonna be new MFT token. Image. For example, name new MFT, owner, and the token ID 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. After this step, we will recheck the state by type query, and we can choose contract info to check the symbol and the name, and we can query other states MFT info and type the token ID. Yeah, here we are. The previous parameters show here. Yeah, after audit have minted a new new MFT token, we will send this MFT to the market. Send MFT. The contract, it is marketplace, and the message is basically for encoded from the JSON object. Here we have a JSON object, and we only need to enter the base64 encoded message. The token ID. Next, we will call receive MFT method. We switch to marketplace and call receive MFT. The message is also base64 encoded format. Including address. Address will be OW20 interface address of the smart contract is and the second parameter is amount 1 for example. The sender will be the fixed sender address and the token ID. The send MFT and the receive MFT are corresponding to buy and sell in the exchange. Now we'll see there's offerings with ID 1 and the token ID 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and also the list price. And the final steps, we're going to withdraw this MFT token. Offering ID will be 1. And after this order is matched, there's no more offerings. As you can check it, the offerings list is now empty. I have done a demo of all the processes of the simulating functions of the smart contract online with OraChain Studio. Thank you for watching, and do not forget to click on subscribe OraChain for getting our most updated interesting news. Thank you everyone. See you soon.